Welcome back. This is lesson 9, which is the last lesson in this section of the training self-formatting options. Still on the training how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how you can access other formatting features. I am Amaka Ifeibunando, your instructor. All through this section of this training, we'll be looking at the different formatting options that is available to you as an Excel user. And we've explored the sections on the Home tab, like the Font section, the Alignment section, and the Number section. It is important to know that there are features you may not find on this ribbon or even through the shortcut menu. And that's the reason why I'd like to show you how you can access other formatting features. To access it, you either come to the Home tab. Under each of this section, there is a selection arrow at the right bottom end corner of each of this section. When you select it, it pops up the Format Cell dialog box and gives you the different options you can explore in each of the tab. For the Font section now, you will notice that the strike through, superscript, and subscript cannot be found on the Home tab. Neither can you find it through your shortcut menu. So using this Format Cell dialog box, you can explore other formatting options. I'll click OK, or I could just cancel it so that we can explore the other one. So when you come to the alignment section, click on this selection arrow tool. It brings you to the alignment section of the Format Cell dialog box. And you can see that we have the orientation, which you can find on the ribbon or the shortcut menu. So there are other little things like you can't just explore on the ribbon except you come to this section of the Format Cell dialog box, right? So I'll click cancel the number section. So when you click on this selection arrow, it brings you to the number section and you can explore other options. We saw this in our previous lesson and we explored a lot of it. So you can explore other options by coming to the number section of it. The Format Cell dialog box can also be popped up by selecting the cell, right-clicking on it, and you clicked on the Format Cell. You see this option. So when you click on it, the Format Cell pops up. So it's either you go through the selection arrow in the Font section of the Home tab, the Alignment section of the Home tab, the Number section of the Home tab, or better still, you select a cell, right-click on it, and click on Format Cell, and immediately the Format Cell dialog box pops up. Right, so we have the number section, the alignment section, the font section, border. You can do your border formatting here, and field, you can apply field color. Then we also have the protection section. So this is how you can access other formatting features that are not available to you on the ribbon or through the shortcut menu. So this brings us to the end of this lesson and this section of the training, self-formatting options. See you in the next section.